Alright, y'all. Pittsburgh, it's about, I don't know what time it is right now. It's 9:16 p.m. at night. We are under a winter storm warning. Look how much snow's out here, dude. So basically 2 weeks ago, 4:30 in the morning, there's all the snow out here, right? Since then, this morning, when I went out for lunch to go, eat, you know why. There was like no snow. I come home, it starts snowing, and then it has been snowing non-stop for the last couple hours. It's gonna be snowing all night. So yeah, high tomorrow's gonna be like, I don't know, 16 degrees. I gotta walk to church in the morning. Maybe I'll get a ride. It's 27 degrees currently right now, but like, you can like hear it. Hear that? Probably can't hear it because of our heat. Here, look. There's literally so much snow out here. Look at this. It's not really good snowball making weather, but it's definitely, see that? I'm just wearing a hoodie right now, but I'm not cold, so yeah, look at this. It's deep. Look at that. Let's press it down. Yeah, that's cold. So I'm not gonna touch any of it. I'm gonna find it in our hands. But yeah, it's not that cold out here right now, honestly. I'm kind of distracted. Like, dude, it is so deep. But yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video because it's beautiful out here. Like, there's an airplane coming up. Yeah, it's like, I don't even know the temperature out here anymore. Oh wait, yeah, I forgot. I can check my watch. It's 26 right now. Snow, obviously. Later tonight, there's supposed to be like sleet, but usually it's just sleet. Like, I think there's supposed to be sleet at this hour, and it just changes to snow each hour when there's sleet. But yeah, I'm gonna go back inside now because it's nighttime and you don't know who's out here in Greenfield. I thought I heard shootings a couple nights ago somewhere in the neighborhood, but yeah, dude, look at this. Our street's really bad. Look at this. Take a quick peek real quick. So like, our street's really bad. Like, cars have been going up and down this, and it's dangerous. So yeah, usually I think tomorrow morning before I even get up to church, shovel the sidewalk there, over here. But usually it's kind of hard. But it should be easier today since, like, well, it should be easier tomorrow since the snow's like just powder. Dude, my fingers are so numb right now. Like they feel so tight. But yeah, that's what happens when you live up north. Downtown's to the west. Yeah, when you live up more north, like where I do, you got a lot of snow, but global warming, so yeah, but it's supposed to be a pretty snowy winter this year. Like, they say that every year, but you know. But they mean it this time. Like there's so many videos on YouTube of like, I don't even know, like, of people like saying, hey, like, there's gonna be so many snowstorms and blizzards across the USA, and they really mean it. I even saw the video. Oh yeah, by the way, his channel is called Max Velocity, and yeah, he just like shows all the severe weather. Anyways, yeah, Max Velocity, a couple days ago, he said there's gonna be a winter storm across like the northwest, I guess. Yeah, basically, this was it. Surprise one. There's a polar vortex going on right now too, so it gets really cold tomorrow. The high's only gonna be 16 degrees, which I think I already mentioned, but I don't know yet. Yeah, there's a little snowflake projector that keeps getting buried in snow, sadly. It's really annoying. No, at this point, we should just unplug it because it's just going to keep getting buried overnight. I think 11 to 1 a.m. is when the snow's actually going to stop roaring. It's going to start easing out, and then, yeah, tomorrow morning, it'll be freezing outside, close to the single digits. It's going to be cold. And 12 p.m., when I get going to church, wait, no, that's when I get home from church. I meant like when 10 a.m., 10:30 is when I start going. 10:20, 10:30 is when I go. Yeah, it's probably gonna be cold. I gotta get bundled up tomorrow morning. I'm not bundled up now. I'm a little bit chilly, but I can't even see my breath. Okay, now I can see my breath. Dude, you do not want to be in my garage right now. It is freezing in there. Honestly, it feels like it is so cold. You can see you can see my breath. So basically, after the snow started, during the afternoon, the salt trucks came by and salted the street. That scene did not work, because now look at this. All the snow's back on the street. Like, dude, like, you can't even tell where the street is. Like, look at this. I can't even tell where it is. Like I can't even tell where it is. I'm pretty sure, like, right here. Dude, my phone screen is getting wet. Yeah. Yeah. But, you know, other than that, it's really peaceful out here tonight. So, yeah. I know, like, earlier in early November, it was just flurrying. Now we actually have accumulation everywhere. Like, dude, this is like 4 or 5 inches of snow. Like, look how deep it is. Like, dude, look at that. Look at that. Look at this. That's how deep it is. It's the winter storm's supposed to end tomorrow, so see how that goes. Next Thursday, the high's gonna be like 52, so